Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the NoseFrida Saline Kit. It's received 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item, and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Are you tired of watching your little one struggle with a stuffy nose? The NoseFrida Baby Saline Kit is here to help. Designed with both parents and babies in mind, this all-in-one solution makes clearing congestion quick, safe, and stress-free. The gentle saline spray softens stubborn mucus, while the NoseFrida Snotsucker lets you easily clear nasal passages without irritation. Unlike traditional bulb syringes, it's hygienic, easy to clean, and gives you total control for the perfect suction every time. Recommended by pediatricians, the NoseFrida Baby Saline Kit is perfect for newborns and toddlers, ensuring they can breathe, sleep, and feed more comfortably. And for you, peace of mind knowing your little one feels better fast. Say goodbye to stuffy noses and hello to easy, effective relief. Pick up the NoseFrida Baby Saline Kit today, because happy noses mean happy families. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.